We live in a society exquisitely dependent on science and technology, in which hardly anyone knows anything about science and technology. That's one of my favourite quotes from Carl Sagan. Hi, my name's Ben Millett and I'm Head of Science here at Yate Academy. I love that quote because I think it really sums up the reason that many science teachers, certainly those at Yate Academy, teach science, and the drive we have to pass on our knowledge, our science knowledge, to the next generation. It's my real privilege to speak to you today about GCSE sciences and about the opportunities that they bring students. There's two pathways with GCSE sciences. The most common pathway is sometimes called double science, and it is called GCSE combined science. It covers biology, chemistry and physics, and students will receive the equivalent of 2 GCSEs when they study that pathway. The alternative for students that really want to study a bit more science is sometimes called the separate sciences, and they're GCSE biology, chemistry and physics. Both study a very similar content. Biology includes many of the topics that students will have met before. Cell biology, my favourite, homeostasis, about how the body responds to and also can survive within its environment. Chemistry, again, many of the topics students will be familiar with from Key Stage 3. My favourite here is chemistry of the atmosphere. Actually, what gases are in the atmosphere, how do they help us survive, and how have they changed over the millennia that the Earth has existed. Finally, there's physics. Physics, again, students will have met many of the topics. My favourite here is the atomic structure and radiation, some fascinating properties of some very unusual materials. Students will be assessed before they get their grades for GCSE, and there's some slight differences between the two pathways. In GCSE Combined Science, there are 6 exams, all sat in Year 11. 2 in Biology, B1, B2, 2 in Chemistry, C1, C2, and 2 in Physics, P1 and P2. Each of the exams is 1 hour and 15 minutes, and because GCSE Combined Science is worth 2 GCSEs, the students receive a double grade. So, for example, the top grade is a 9-9, and then going down from that, 9-8, and then 8-8, etc. The alternative route, GCSE Biology, GCSE Chemistry and GCSE Physics, also has 6 exams, 2 for each GCSE. Each exam is slightly longer, which is 1 hour and 45 minutes, and students will receive an individual grade for GCSE Biology, Chemistry and Physics. Both routes allow the student to go on into sciences at A level or in other courses. Next steps. So from these courses, students can decide to continue in science. So if they were to do that, the most traditional route is the A-level route, and all of the sciences are offered at Yate Academy or within Cotswold Edge. There are also vocational courses, both within the school and Cotswold Edge, but also a wider variety in local colleges. And it's worth saying that science can lead to really quite well paid and definitely rewarding careers. We're really looking forward to having your students come with us on this journey all the way through Year 11 to receiving their final GCSEs. If you have any questions whatsoever about science, then please don't hesitate to contact me. I really look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.